Good morning, guys. I am getting ready to leave with my neighbor. Today is Ronnie's 49th birthday and we're going to celebrate today, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. He is just now getting out of bed, so he's showing his age. It's 11:15.
No, honey. It's early.
It is Sunday, and for the record, I could have woke him up this morning, but I didn't. I let him sleep in. He had his birthday sleep in today. We'll let him get caught up. 49 years is hard work.
I had done a lot of work yesterday.
We went swimming. We went to the gym. And then he had the hard work of eating dinner. Did you have hard work eating dinner?
I had more of a hard work smelling that cake that you started cooking yesterday.
Oh, yeah. I made his birthday cake yesterday, and so it's downstairs. I still have to ice it, but you guys will see it in this video.
I'm being a blind man this morning. I couldn't find my shirt. I got it now.
Anyhow, we are, we've got some secrets and some surprises. You guys will see it first before him. So, I'm going to leave here in a little bit. So let's go see what kind of trouble I can get into today. Look at that. It is snowing and the ice coming down. Oh, how come we always get this lucky? Headed in the Petco. Which one of you guys want to go home with me?
I don't know.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand. Yeah, come on there, kid. High five. Well, that one down there almost looks purpley.
Yeah.
Really a light blue.
They're all pretty.
But okay.
I think I'm going to go with this, I guess. I think it'll be all right.
Yeah.
This is the only one I see.
Yeah, that's the only one I see.
Yeah, I think it'll work. We'll do that.
What about water?
Does it not come with a water thing? Do you put water in a bowl? I can't even remember. How do you do that?
Well, I was looking at these down here. You get the small ones, you get the fat ones.
I need fat ones. Pick me out fat ones. A green one and a blue one looks good. Yeah, just get me some fat ones.
This one looks good.
There we go. Got the two little parakeets all wrapped up because it's snowing and cold outside. And now we're about to get Captain D's for Ronnie's birthday dinner, which I'm kind of happy about. I'm hungry. Look at the snow coming down. I don't even know if my phone picks up the snow.
Probably won't. Not that heavy. I mean, it's sleet.
I can't believe that. I don't know.
You want any vinegar on yours, Ronnie? Not yet.
We got the birdies all settled in. Hi there. Now all we got to do is name them. Hi there. Hello. Hello, little ones. Hello.
So snake skulls are heavily modified.
We need one of those long ones. You're cheating.
Well, honey, I can help it.
As long as they like, right?
Well, I ain't doing very good either, honey.
Ain't you got a good lighter?
No. burn your finger. I'll have that and burn up time I get there with it.
Light it again, Kat.
There we go. We're getting it.
All right, Heidi, go ahead.
To me,
Happy birthday, God bless you.
Happy birthday to me.
Okay, now you gotta lean down and blow it out.
Wait a minute.
What?
Let's let it get the
Wait,
burn
wait,
on
I'll
it.
tell you what. Yep. We got some birthday balloons here. All right.
Hey, my beautiful balloon.
They're all blowing out on their own. Blow them.
Okay, they're out.
They
No.
gotta be down.
You gotta bend down. There you go, right there.
You got more wind than that.
There we go. You
Okay.
got it. Look how morbid and melted.
Well, we're gonna eat them later.
You can. There's my piece. Hello, everybody. I'm checking in. My goodness, I've been back for a while. We had a wonderful lunch of Captain D's fish and chips. The best hush puppies on the planet. So delicious. And then we had chocolate cake that I made, and Ronnie really enjoyed that, and we laughed and carried on. Anyways, he is in the office with the birds. I may never see him again. Those of you guys that don't know a little history about birds with Ronnie, he had a bird, let's see, it was in 2020, and I can't remember what the date was, but I'm thinking it was January, February. He had a bird for some time. He taught it how to sing, and it was just a beautiful bird. And it died. It got sick and it died. And he was so devastated. Ronnie, being blind, he loves the noise of animals, and he loves the noise of birds. And so he kept saying to me, I'm gonna get some parakeets, I'm gonna get some parakeets. He wants 3, but I only bought 2 today. Anyways, long story short, we was gonna wait until his parents got fully moved out before we bought the parakeets. And I told his mom, I was like, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and surprise him, because I bought the cage and the food and the cage cover and the birds today, and he really loved it. He was just really ecstatic over it. So the gift went really well. He hadn't named them yet, but they are so super cute, and I know that he's going to enjoy having them around the house. So they are going to stay in the office, because the office is actually the warmest room of the house. So they'll be nice and warm in there this winter. And I'll clean the cage and everything and keep them upstairs, so that'll be really nice. So that is that. You know, it's so sad when you lose a pet. So if you are an animal lover, you guys know how really tough it is, because they're almost like become your children in a way. They're definitely a part of the family. So when you lose a pet, it's so hard. So when he lost Sam Bird, it was very difficult time for him. So he's gonna love these parakeets. I think he had a fantastic birthday, and we'll check in with him, and I'll make sure he gets in this video a little bit more. But I think he had a wonderful 49th birthday. And I gotta tell you guys, I am so tired. I think it's this terrible weather we're having. I'm tired and I'm full. Like, I'm so full. I could not eat another bite if I wanted to. The food was very fresh and was so delicious. Had such a nice time with my neighbor, Carol. She is such a sweet lady to want to go to the store with me and hang out. So, you know, it works out really nice. Ronnie also got 2 cards today. One from my parents and one from his Aunt Doris. So that was sweet. And yeah, so we had a good day. So I'll probably have him check in a little bit. I'm going to put my earphones in and watch a little bit of something on my phone. I've been watching this, I think it's called Delicious Eats. I think it is. It's where people take food and turn it into art. And like the people that are, it's a British cooking show. The people that compete against each other are mainly like people who photograph food or their food that they make, and they have big Instagram pages of food that's really beautiful. And so basically they get tested, you know, just because something looks beautiful, does it taste good? And I like it. I love watching the show because I always pick the one I think is going to win. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm not. But anyhow, that's what I'm going to watch, and I'll check in a bit. Hello guys, we are checking in, and Ronnie, did you have a nice birthday?
Well, honey, I had a very nice birthday, and it was all because of you.
Aww.
You know,
Your parents had a little something to do with it too.
well, they did, and they helped make it good, and I thank them just as much because, you know, I love my mom and dad so very much, and I love you, and I just wanted to express my deepest appreciation. As many of y'all know, I lost my bird, Sam, in February.
Yeah,
And
I shared that just a little while ago on here.
And when I got these birds, that just warmed my heart right up. And I thank the Lord and for all that He's enabled you to do, and for all that He's helped us to do, and just for giving me a wonderful, wonderful day. And you know, the Lord's always good, but thank you so much, baby, for giving me a wonderful, wonderful birthday.
Oh, you're very welcome. I'm glad he had a great birthday, and the birds are so cute, and they're all tucked in.
And tomorrow they hadn't made any noise, but they're dancing to music today.
Yeah, they're starting to get settled down a little bit, and the guy at the pet store said it would be probably a couple of days before they got settled, and then they would probably make more noise, you know. So they're just getting settled and getting relaxed, and they were calm. Then I covered their cage, and they're in a nice warm room, so it's good.
It's in a nice warm room, and I tell you, the lunch, guys, was phenomenal. I tell you, I enjoyed I love Captain D's. Do y'all have Captain D's in the UK?
I don't know if they do, but I know they eat lots of fish and chips. You guys let me know, where do you guys eat in the UK if you watch this and you live
Because
over there?
I want to tell you, this boy loves seafood.
He does. He loves fish and chips.
I love fish and chips, shrimp and clams
Well,
and crab.
the chips are our fries. You know, over there they call chips.
Uh-huh.
They call fries chips.
Oh, really? Well, we love those.
Yeah, so we had hush puppies were delicious today.
They were so good, I thought I was going to bark.
Gosh. You know, we lucked out when we went to Captain D's because it was real busy, so everything that we got was really fresh. It came out really hot and really fresh. So
Oh, it was
good.
so fresh. I'm telling you what, it was so, everything was so delicious. And I tell you, I really enjoy the simple things in life. I love good food, guys. I mean,
I know.
I really do.
I know, you didn't get your size from not liking food, right, honey?
Oh, honey, that's just getting started.
Oh, it is? Well, hey, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed sharing some time with us and seeing Ronnie's birthday. He's the birthday boy.
I told my baby that. I said, you know, I ain't been in one of your videos in a little while.
I know. I said you're gonna be in this one because it's your birthday.
But you know what? We're gonna be doing some more things in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And here real soon, you know what? It's been a few weeks. It'll be about time for another pizza. So we just might have to film that.
He can't wait to get back in
I
that
love
kitchen
doing
with
it.
me. Well, anyways, I loved you. I'm glad you had a wonderful birthday.
You always make everything wonderful,
Oh,
baby.
you're so sweet. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Be sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel and hit that bell to be notified, and we'll be talking to you all again soon.
So remember, ring that bell.
Ring that bell. Bye, guys.